Join me as I take you along on my vacation skincare routine. First, starting out with a bit of Basil Yarrow mist to hydrate and prep. Then adding our moisturizer cream. I love to add a few dots on my face and as well into my neck. You never want to forget the neck. And then give myself a bit of a facial massage, which helps with lymphatic drainage and just feels great. I love to add a little bit of extra underneath my eyes and then apply our eye masks for extra hydration because I always get puffy eyes when I travel. I'll leave these on while I move on to using our face tool to give my skin an added facial massage, which helps depuff, helps bring in the product a little bit more deeply. Each end of this face tool is really amazing. I love the fatter sides for my cheeks and my jawline and my neck. And then the thinner side, I love to get into my tension spots where I lock my jaw around my mouth and around my eyes as well. And it feels incredible. Take off my eye masks and then pat in the extra moisturizer cream and then take that face tool and do a little bit of massage under the eye as well. And then get your Deep Serum. Smell it. It smells amazing. I love to add the Deep Serum on top of the moisturizer cream when I need a little bit of extra hydration. Take a little bit of extra, add it into the hair, and my skin is feeling glowy and ready for the adventure that awaits.